Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Making Memories with Michelle. This week, as I said, I'm bringing you a video every single day, and we're talking about boxes and bags. So today, I'm using some of the 2019-2021 in colors, and we're going to make a little, I don't know that it's a bag, I don't know if that's a box. It's more of an envelope, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to make really a envelope bag or box to put your cards in so that you could give them as a gift. Now, this is a really simple project. We're using an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock. In this case, this is Rococo Rose. And all you need is your scoring board. Okay, so I have my scoring board here, and on portrait or on the short side, we're going to score it at 2.5, and then turn it so it's horizontal or landscape, and you're going to score it at 5.5. That's all you need to do. Okay, so put that away. And then grab your bone folder and just score along those sides. Now, I saw this project from Angie Judah over at Chicken Scratch, and I just thought it was adorable and super cute and super fun, and so I wanted to make it today. Then I have a piece of designer series paper that I've already cut, and that measures 5.25 by 5.75. And the only thing that I want to tell you is if you're doing a pattern, make sure that the 5.25 inch cut is so your pattern is going the right direction. Otherwise, that would be really sad. Then I'm going to use some liquid glue today just so that I have a little bit of play and some wiggle room, because that's a big piece of paper and I'd hate to get it on crooked and not be able to change it. Okay. Well, that was handy. And that's going to go right on the front. Okay. Let that dry just a minute. And I've cut two 11-inch strips of this really pretty ribbon. It's the scalloped linen ribbon, and it comes in all of the designer series colors this year. And I love that it has that kind of rustic feel with the linen in between. It's very pretty. Now, you can take your handheld punch, but I find I have a Crop-A-Dile and it's just easier because you're going to go through several layers of paper. And I got glue on the paper. Okay, and so you're going to put a hole, and I like to close it. This is why I use my Crop-A-Dile, because you want that to go all through that. And you can use your handheld circle punch. Just make sure that you do just a few layers at a time. With your ribbon, tie a knot. Let's see if I can do this while I'm talking. And you want it to be down at the end. And feed it through. And the same with the other one. And tie those knots pretty tight, because this ribbon is just a little bit bulky. And then you can take your snips and trim the ends so that they're not so large. And then because it's Casing Tuesday, so over on Facebook, there's the Casing Tuesday group, and I used the card front casing piece. I've already gone ahead and done it because there were a lot of pieces, but this is the background stamp is from the Beauty Abound stamp set, and that's stamped off once in Seaside Spray, and then there's a Seaside Spray circle, and then Rococo Rose butterflies from Butterfly Gala, and then with the Well Said, we have Birthday and Wishes. Now, do you see this little strip of ribbon right here? Do you know what that's from? I took some of that scalloped linen ribbon and I just cut that little scalloped edge off. So it's kind of like getting 2 for 1 in that spool of ribbon. Okay, so I'm going to use a little liquid glue again. Mostly because I don't know where I put my snail this morning. But I'm going to tell you it so it goes on straight. Which is true. But I really don't know where my snail went. Okay, and you're thinking it's a little bulky, but watch. I have these cards that I made at my quarterly meeting. These are in the Designer Series papers using the Time for Tags stamp set. Isn't that beautiful? They're just such happy little cards. And I thought they would make a great gift pack. So I've got my cards on this side and I've got my envelopes on this side. And look, when we close it up, it's not bulky anymore. And then we can take this be careful. Well, you can fiddle with that ribbon later, but you get the idea. And then you've got a cute little gift packet that you could just give to somebody to make their day. So thanks for watching. All directions and measurements will be over on my blog today at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. And drop me a line if you have any questions, or if you make one and want to share it, go ahead. Put it over on my Facebook page. You can find me at Michelle Irene over on Facebook. Thanks so much. Bye.